Starting from the number 7, which is improved performance by 80% when navigating in view set to display in texture mode. This is kind of a bug fix for a bug that I reported to Autodesk feedback forum some time ago. In Revit 2024, when you switch to the texture mode display, the Revit would often freeze for some time, making it very frustrating to use this display mode. So I'm very glad that this is fixed now. Now there is possibility to enable and disable wall end wraps directly in Canvas for each end of the wall. So that's a very nice feature and will help with the workflow. Excavation volume for toposolids. There are many improvements for editing toposolids in Revit 2025, but this is my favorite one. Previously with topo surface elements it was very confusing to get exact volume. Now it's as easy as making a cut in the toposolid, and that's great. And you can get exact excavation volume for all elements that excavate a toposolid. Array of 1. This is very long awaited improvement. It will make family creation so much easier, because previously we had to create duplicate elements for when the array is 1 and then hide array with 2 elements. And this will make families with arrays smaller and whole Revit project faster, and that's super great. My third favorite new feature is sheet collections. This will very significantly improve the organization of the project, because in the lifetime of the model, there are multiple stages with multiple sheet groups, and I'm very happy for this improvement. And I hope this will improve the organization of your model too. Align and distribution of text and text notes. This is very long-awaited feature. Although there is a free add-in for this functionality for Revit 2024 and before, I am very happy to see that this is now implemented into the Revit 2025. And my favorite new feature is the one that you can't use or see in your everyday workflow. But it is the one that, in my opinion, will make the most impact in our everyday interaction with the Revit. Is the Revit migration from .NET Framework 4.8 to .NET 8. And this is huge under the hood improvement that will make Revit and Revit add-ins that we love so much more faster. And as a bonus feature, I can add that Autodesk is working on modernizing of Revit graphics engine to enable fast, high-quality graphics by leveraging the latest hardware and software. I hope that this means that Revit will use GPU when processing 3D and 2D graphics. If so, this is going to significantly improve quality of user experience when working with large models, because as you can see now, the orbit and panning of 3D and 2D views, even on my high-end desktop station, is inexcusably slow and lagging. And I have high hopes for future Revit updates and versions. Thank you for watching and have a great day.